It's alright. What's going on? What's going on YouTube? I hope you guys are having a great weekend, man. So it's your boy again, Black Money Trades right here. So I've decided to do something different, man. This for this weekend, either than showing you guys the trades I'm taking on the My Forex Funds challenge. Because if you will remember very well, I took the 5,000 MFF evaluation challenge, and I promised that you guys I'm going to trade it with you. Everything that I'm doing on the challenge, I'm gonna be very transparent with you, showing you everything up until the end, whether I win or lose. So we're all gonna be in a position to see how the challenge went. So now, since we're going into the next week, I've decided to just show you guys my weekly forecast right here of the trades that we're gonna be taking, or the trades we're gonna be looking at from Monday next week. Yeah, so Monday I believe is not gonna be a busy day since it's a bank holiday. So I think we'll probably start trading by Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday to Thursday, because Friday I believe it's NFP week this week. Yeah, so Friday will be the NFP day. So we're not gonna be taking any trades on Friday, because we do not trade news. That's one of our rules. Alright, so basically this week I'm just gonna be looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. Yes, only 5 pairs, with the possibility of setting my alerts on 1 from tomorrow. Yeah, which is Euro AUD. So I'm just gonna start from the bottom with Euro Chef right here. So Euro Chef, for me personally, I think it looks very bullish, man, because you can see from let's just go to the daily. You can see since we broke this level of structure, we made a change of character right here. So we've been making lower lows and higher highs. Sorry. Yeah, so we're expecting for price to come and take out this high again. As you can also see, we have this level of demand here of a daily which was not mitigated. So it's a possibility that price may, let me just mark it, it's a possibility that price may come to take out this, to mitigate this level. Let me get my boxes right. Nice level of supply right here. Very nice level of supply. Okay, seems like it has been mitigated already. Yeah, we mitigated this level. But then we're looking for price to pull back. We're looking for price to pull back to premium levels of this fib extensions right here. So I'll be looking to at least take the price to about the 50% right here. You can see we also have the imbalances right here. The imbalance which was unfilled. Yes, we've got this imbalance right here. And you may argue that on a lower time frame we also have this relative equal highs right here, of which all classified as liquidity, and we know liquidity tends to be taken. The market loves liquidity. It loves liquidity. If you don't know what liquidity is, I'm basically not the right guy to be teaching you what liquidity is. But there's a lot of videos on YouTube. You can go just type liquidity and liquidity types, liquidity zones. You'll get your all the information right here. So yeah. Let me just remove these. So what happened here on the zone that I'm on a 3 hour chart? You can see the prices came to price actually came to mitigate the 3-hour demand right here, which had liquidity right here. Which, when there's liquidity, our POIs have a much greater chance of holding. Yeah, they have a much greater of holding price. So we mitigated the 3-hour. We pushed the price, pushed up to change character here again. I classify this as a change of character. If we go to the 5-hour or 4-hour, we have this nice little demand zone here with some imbalances, and prices also created the relative equal lows, or you can even call it trend line liquidity here. So basically what we're looking for in EuroChef, we're looking for price to come back and mitigate this 4-hour level, give us a change, give us smaller time frame confirmations, or we're just going to be looking for price to come to this level, just give us some sort of sign that is going to is trying to change direction now. Then we can look to buy price up to this level right here, to this high. Yeah, we can also consider this a weak high, because it hasn't created any lower low, so it's a weak high. It contains liquidity also right above it. Yes. All right. The next pair, NZD CAD. NZD CAD, if you go to an 8-hour chart, you can see, man, price has been creating a series of lower highs and lower lows. So basically price is bearish, it's going to the downside, and lately we came to mitigate this level of supply, the 8-hour level of supply. As you can see here, price mitigated, price broke, mitigated this level of supply, broke below, created a break of structure right here, then came back to mitigate here. So what we're waiting for on this price, as you can see on our lower time frames right here, price is still indicating bullish structure. Okay, let me just go to a 15 minutes time frame. So price is still bullish, man. So I consider price still bullish up until we get a break of this, or we fail this demand right here. Because you can see it's a nice little demand zone. So if we can fail this demand, you can see I've also set my alert just below this demand. If we fail this demand and leave a nice area of supply right here, I'll be looking forward to short price to about these levels right here. You can see, man, we've got a lot of lows to target right here. A lot of lows. So I won't be looking to take price to this very low. So I'm just gonna target, even if it's about 10R, I'll be fine. So we just have to wait now for price to present the perfect entry for us. Obviously it's not gonna be perfect, it's just a clean entry that meets my plan. Yeah, if we get an entry that meets my plan, we are going to take it, most definitely. All right, the next page, GBP NZD. Okay, you can see, guys, GBP NZD I think it's overextended, but you can never call the highs and lows, man, in this market. This thing can just continue to go up. So what I'm looking for at this pair, I'm looking for a pullback to this demand area right here, because you can see price was consistently making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs. Now we're expecting price to pull back to this point of interest, give us a little lower time frame confirmations, then we may take price up to these highs right here. Yes, we're gonna take price to these highs. So it's quite a simple simple and straightforward textbook thing. It's textbook price action. Price broke structure right here, went up, it came down, created some sort of liquidity. You can call it trendline liquidity. Then we just assume that price will come back to mitigate this level of supply. Nice level of supply with the engulfing candle, and you can see there's tons of imbalances that hasn't been filled here. You can also argue that you got on lower time frames you may have your equal lows right here. Yeah, so waiting for price to come back here, give us lower time frame confirmations, then push up again. Yeah, boom. That's what we're waiting for. So we also set our limit, our alert. Yeah, we've also set our alert on this price to notify us whether the price, when the price is trading on our point of interest. Okay, let's remove them, make our charts clean again. Alright, the next pair we have GBP USD. So with GBP USD, you can see, man, this thing is still bullish at this point. So what I was looking for with this pair, I'm still looking to buy this thing. I'm still looking to buy. I'm not gonna be out here saying GBP USD is gonna drop or what. As long as it is still pushing up, we are going to buy it up until it gives us bearish structures. Then we might be looking to get involved with the shorts. But for now, it seems like the dollar is not holding up, so we're still gonna be buying GBP USD. So if you check the weekly time frame in terms of our targets, so I personally, if it happens that I get it, okay, let's just come in first. So on our weekly, we have this nice little supply zone here. Nice little supply zone. I think it also below the 50%. Let's just see. Yeah, it's a discounted supply zone also, which broke the structure right here, which broke this low, which validates the break of structure, which validates our point of interest. Yeah. So in terms of our targets, we are going to be targeting this high right here. Yeah, we're gonna be targeting this high, and possibly if you're a swing trader, man, you can also target this weekly point of interest right here. So how we're gonna go about that? Okay, let's just go to the lower time frames on the 4 hour. Okay, let's see the 5 hour. Oh, nice. Yeah, so on the 5 hour we have this nice demand right here with this impulse move to the upside, which broke this structure, the structural high. We can even say it took out the liquidity above this high. So we are anticipating that price will come back to this level of demand, give us some little lower time frame confirmations, then we can take price to this very own high. Yeah, boy. So that's how I'm gonna be going about with GBP USD. Okay, let's look at the last pair. So this one is my favorite, man. This one is my favorite, which I'm going to be putting limits on. You can see the ones that I've marked red, they have clean price action, but I don't have entries on yet. So Euro AUD, I'm going to be setting an entry on this one. Because I feel like I feel like it meets my expectation in entry. Yeah, it meets my expectation, my plan, everything. So let me break it down for you. So as we can all see that the price action on Euro AUD is very bullish. It's very bullish. Price is overextended, man. Over. And you know, in cases like this, we expect price to pull back and rebalance before it can push up again to possibly take out these highs. It's possible. Everything is possible in this market. So now on the 4 hour, we have this nice little demand right here, which I'm expecting price to pull back to. So I'm expecting to buy price from this level. I'm expecting to buy price here. Yes, I'm expecting to buy price from this level and take it up. But then for now, if you go to your 1 hour, time frame, you can see that price is now showing us, okay, I think it was 30 minutes. Let's see the 30 minutes. Oh yes. All right. So price is showing us bearish movements now. Showing us bearish movements. You can see we keep breaking up structures to the downsides, So what happened here? Price broke this structure, leaving us with this nice little supply zone right here. It left us with a nice little supply zone, and it came down to about this, to this demand right here. Yeah, it came to this demand. Price reversed, created this liquidity, which is equal highs right here. Perfect equal highs. You can see right here. Came down, mitigated this level of supply right here, then dropped. So when price dropped like this, man, we scaled down to our scale down to our 15 minutes time frame. See our 15 minutes time frame. So you can see when price is coming down now, it also broke this. It changed character here. Price changed character here with this impulsive move, leaving us with this nice little supply zone here with the loads of imbalances and liquidity. Yeah, loads of imbalance and liquidity. So now what we're expecting price to do, we're expecting price to push back up, and trigger our entries in, and we're just gonna take price to this level, to this low right here. We're just going to take price to this low. Yeah, we're just gonna take price to this low, then we are done. Nice little trade right here. Nice little trade of about our stop loss was only gonna be 9 pips, and we'll be aiming for 10.18 R. So if we can get this one right, just one trade next week, done with phase 1 of the challenge. So yeah, guys, that's how we're gonna do next week. Hopefully all goes well for our side, because you know we really need to pass this thing. So that's all that I have for this week. I'm only gonna be looking at for these 5 pairs right here. Nothing else. I'm not gonna take any trade beside the trades that I mentioned now. So yeah, guys, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, so that you can be, and also click the notification bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. Please, I would appreciate your support. Yes, sir. Thank you, guys. See you next week.